So this is how you can see the IMEI number on your Apple Watch. Let's say it's going to be the Ultra or even the regular, but it depends on the type of Apple Watch. Let me explain everything. So the IMEI number is essentially for the SIM card only Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch which is GPS and it's not a cellular, then it's just not going to have a IMEI number because it doesn't need one. It's just not equipped with it. The Apple Watch Ultra, however, every single Ultra is also a cellular, so you're going to be able to find it easily. The way to do it is that you're going to get inside of the settings right here, and in the main section, you can scroll down to the general, then you tap on about, and you scroll through all of the options, plenty of different things in here, the amount of apps, capacity, and everything, right? And if you keep on scrolling, you can see that we have the network and carrier and also the IMEI number, right? So this is how you can find it in here. That's all you can see, and that's how you can find it. As I say, on the Apple Watch like this one, which is a little bit older and everything, it's not even a cellular. You can also just check it out in the same section in here. You can also check out the about, but I just don't have the IMEI number. That's because it doesn't have the SIM card capabilities. As I say, it is not a cellular Apple Watch. So that's kind of how it works. I'm pretty sure that you can also check it out from the Watch app on your iPhone. It has to be the iPhone that is paired to that Apple Watch, but it is pretty simple. That's how you can check it out. So if you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe for a lot of tutorials which I publish every day on this channel. You might find some of them useful, so go ahead and at least subscribe so you can see them when I publish them. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.